On October the 31st, 1959, something fantastic happened in the city of Ibadan, Nigeria. NTV, the first television station ever in the whole of West Africa, birthed. But this meant something for a history that is about to unfold. The NTV became the NTA, and you cannot beat the reach of the drama that is about to begin to unfold in people's homes and people's televisions. Then, from all these professionals from television came a new set of professionals who are going to make a living from what is to be called Nollywood.
Excellencies, Your Highnesses, ladies and gentlemen, a few events in my life have given me so much pleasure as to come before you tonight to open formally the first television network in Africa.
Official opening night, when I signed on, this is WNTV, first in Africa, and I, signed on. The chief engineer, is it Chambers? Yes, Mr. Chambers. He was so excited. He plucked the microphone, in the control room. He was going to throw it across the glass panel. They held his hand. So he came. I said, that was good. Congratulations. He was so excited. I was afraid. They were all afraid. They said, this man will break the... He said, we have broadcasted. I said, there's no broadcast. We have broadcast. He was so excited.
WNTV, the first TV station in Nigeria, kicks the dream to motion.
WNTV, first in Africa.
Then, a change of name to NTA.
And on television, the introduction of things like Zebra, New Masquerade, Tales by Moonlight, Samanja, Mirror in the Sun, The New Masquerade, The Village Headmaster, to mention a few, created a background for new professionals who are going to metamorphosize into creating Nollywood.
So you remember? That is baby where being Papa not remember.
No, don't mention my name, you hear me? For me to waste my whole time. The whole alliance wanted to waste his whole time for nonsense birthday card.
Wano, Chief, are you trying to tell me that bad days are not important to you?
What are important in it?
Eh?
What I make it important? What I mean?
So it doesn't mean anything to you?
Yes, what I mean.
But
since I am know you, how many times have you celebrated your birthday?
Chief, don't say that. Don't say that at all. Don't say that. I, Dr. Pinjaya Chukoya, the grandson of Ijo Vidyarara, the son of the soil, and by the grace of God, the only young millionaire in the whole universe. I celebrate it every year. So,
Nollywood, from the perspective of Eastern Nigeria, or the Eastern states, as they call us now, metamorphosed from television productions. Productions like you had New Masquerade, from Masquerade to New Masquerade, which by the grace of God, I was part of, from the concept, from the incept. In 1974, we started with Masquerade. when James Hero had OON of the blessed memory was the producer of the program.
The Nigerian film industry, which started from pre-colonial times, had a robust, moment in the 60s, 70s, and probably early 80s. As at the time we came into the industry, early 80s too, I joined the television industry in 1982. I was one of the pioneer staff of PRTV. It used to be PTV then. Before then, I was presenting programs on NTA Jaws, 81, thereabout. So that was a time that what we refer to as film industry, had a lull moment.
We have a program on NTA Lagos then called Babish Show. Babish Show was produced by Oladile Banko Limo, the former GM NTV. Then Enton call programming by at Alade is late now. The same father of Dari Alade. So at that time, when a program come, we call it Babish Show. But I mentioned 15 minutes drama sketch or comedy sketch in it. Later they gave us television series, 30 minutes. We started with 13 episodes, we started running it. And that's how everything started. I'm in blue, dear. We started
in 1974. We started with Masquerade. When James Hero had OON of the blessed memory was the producer of the program. Along the line, 78 he left us. 1978 he left us for another television, Imo Broadcasting Service Television, in Owerri. So the job was on me, Chika Bala, and Davis Ofo.
And during that period, I was doing little bits of programs with New Masquerade and so many programs, with Nigerian Television Authority.
In NTA, I did one film they packaged, that's The People's Court. It was a kind of serial. Abog was there. The People's Court, NTA Enugu here. I was there. That was prior to 1988. Yes, I did all of that prior to 1988. And I played as a guest artist in the New Masquerade. I thank God Zebrudaya is still alive.
With the local productions like in NTA Enugu, Anambra Television, these were my bases where I took off until we passed through Things Fall Apart of 1985 that came out in 1986, where I played the character, Aniku, one of the fathers-in-law of the key character, Okonkwo, played by veteran Peter Dochie.
Umofer, I greet you. Yeah. Men of integrity, I greet you. Yeah. Let history not be hidden. This ancient honorable council deserves Okonkwo. Yeah.
You see, the video home system was a transforming situation in the story of the Nigerian entertainment space. Because from television, which was controlled by the government, and producers and directors of the Nigerian Television Authority. Although we had had the celluloid system, pneumatic tapes, and other modes of capturing images, but the VHS system provided for a cheap, readily available, and less problematic mode of telling stories. Then the VHS came, and a new commercial kind of storytelling began. All the things that was expensive before, by the pneumatic or the cinematic celluloid system, now became very simple. And people who had been trained from television, moving out of television, now started commercial storytelling using the cheap, readily available VHS system.
Ekuli, la karali, ekwana, la kiri julana, àṣeyí ṣàmọ́dún, la kirawa lọ́dún tuntun. Àfàìmọ̀ kí ẹkú àtijọ́ kí ọ̀nà ti mọ́ra wọn rí gidi. Kábíyèsí là kí ọba gidi lórí oko. Àgbà ìjòyè là ń kí ní kábíyèsí lẹ̀. Mímọ́, mímọ́, mímọ́ là kí ọba tó so ilé ayé ró.